Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an event or schedule a meeting in Outlook. It's going to be very easy and simple step. Now I'm using Outlook website, so you can just sign in to your Outlook account, and then in this page you can navigate to the calendar here, click on it. Now as you can see there is option to create new event, you can click on it. Next you can add the title, maybe weekly meeting. And then also if you want to add the series here, or you can choose the type of this meeting, and you can add the reminder here if you want. And also you can add the categories, and you can choose it's private or not private. And you can also assign it to OneNote. And then you can set up the members or the attendees. You can just invite them, and then you can set up, the schedule, maybe every Monday, the time, the start time, and the end time, and start date. You can just customize it, and then you can set it if you want to it's Teams meeting or not, or you can also change it to the in-person event, or you can online event. It's up to you. And you can just add the message, maybe click meeting, just for example, and then you can just click send, and automatically it will send to your attendees. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.